guys, so in this video I want to show you how to copy links from the 1688 app. This is the same link that you send to your procurement agent for him or her to source for you if you don't want to shop for yourself. This is the link that you copy and send to your agent, or you can copy and paste it on the website on the 1688 app, on the 1688 site on the Google Chrome for you to view specification or for you to translate. So now let's search for a product. Let's just click on this, click on it again. So let me show you where you copy your codes. You long press on this part just below the product. That's where you long press. Let's click on it. Here, now it's copied. Let's go to our notes. You click paste. You go on to delete some of the useless things that you don't need. You only be left with this, with your link only. This is how you do it, and you go back to your product. Now if you want to send your specifications to your agent, you can just select the size that you want. In this case, we only have one color, so just say go on this MOQ. You will write how many pieces that you want. Let's say maybe 5 pieces. We want too small, too small, too small, one medium, and too large. This is how you do it. And also sometimes there may be different colors. You just specify here what you want. So this is how you do it. This is how you copy your links. And also you can also go to your Google Chrome and paste it. Let's go on our Google Chrome and you click on this, the link that you copied. You click on that thing and it will take you to your link. Like this. So if it doesn't translate, let me show you how you do it. If the website doesn't translate to English, you click here on these 3 dots on your bottom right corner. That's where you click. Let's go and click in. You click here, you browse through, you go here, translate and request for your desktop site. This will give you better results. So let's translate. It's already translated, and I also want to click the desktop site. Now I can see more features on this desktop site. You can see the store ratings, the number of years that the supplier have been up on Alibaba. And you see the price there. the specifications, the live video of the product. You can see it in other product that the supplier has in his store, the weight. You can see everything there. So that's another way.